Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones technical analysis for today. And we are testing the bottom of a channel for me. Not exact, but you'll get the picture. There it is there. So we are testing the bottom of a channel at the moment, and for me, this is looking, there is a half decent level down here, and then there's a really solid level a little bit further down. So if we start coming down through the time frames here, you'll see this is really starting to look like a half decent area to be buying into at the moment. So it is a previous low. The reason for this morning's little bit of a sell-off is just Chinese data that's come out that is not as expected, and we are bottom of channel. So as far as I'm concerned, this is looking like a half decent area to be buying right now, and it's pretty same setup as what we see on the S&P 500 as well. So I'm going to just pay attention to the European Open for now to see what transpires here, but I want to see some structure form around here, and it already has, in my opinion, with this pin bar. We'll see where this green bar closes. If it manages to close above the pin bar, that's more than enough of a trigger for a lot of people. So that's what I'll be paying attention to, and you probably want to be paying attention to that on the 15 as well. So 15, we don't really have much structure. We've got an inside bar, and then we've got a pin bar up there, another pin bar. But look at my oscillator starting to hit the upside. So just come back to the 3 hour. And the reason why I'm hesitant is I would prefer the pullback down here. I really would. So let's just do this, and you'll see what I'm aiming for here. So technically, that is the first two levels, or the first 2 points of my trend line. This one here is really just a retest. It's not accurate. So what we do is we look for those first two fractals, and there's the first one, there's the second one. Nice decent pullback, higher low, after moving down for a bit in the week, and then we started reversing. So you can see also we've got diversions here, low, lower, low, low, high, and then also grouping to the downside. So that's the structure that you've got there on the 3 hour. That to me is actually the first trend line. So what I can do now is look at that, and you can widen it up as much as you like, or even just take your channel tool, and you'll see it'll line up quite nicely. So this is actually the area that I'm paying attention to. A little long-winded way for me to get to the area that I'm looking to buy off. So 32,300, worst case scenario 35,200. So that's kind of the structure I'm looking at right now, and you see we're just kind of turning off the previous swing low here. But for me at the moment, that is the area that I think is a lot more attractive for me for actually buying into this. So right here, 35,291, and alternatively 35,200. 35,200 will definitely get me long. Anything down in that area is going to get me long. But as I say, this could actually just turn out to be a bit of a range, and this could be bottom of range at the moment. So just pay attention to the European Open, see what transpires. If you see any more positive price action before 9 o'clock European time, then I would be buying at this level. Anyway, that's it for me at the moment. The trend is up. We're looking to buy the dip, and it's up until it's not up. So just keep your wits about you. Keep your stops in place, because there could be some catalyst brewing that's going to drive us to the downside. But until that happens, the trend is up. So you go with the flow until it changes, pretty much. Okay, that's it for me this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.